Alright, HVAC people. Let me show you what we got going on today. See what we got here. American Pride. We got another Goodman up in there. So I got a 4-ton Goodman that I am going to install. One second. Hello. All right, so we were going to be replacing this right here. So this is our 22 sister right here. They got a 5-ton evaporator coil. I think this is a 3.5, but I'm gonna install a 4-ton Goodman. This R22 system. A while back, somebody replaced the evaporator coil. And still have the 410 TXV. This unit still cooling, but we don't have the right TXV. And then, like I said, just don't have the right TXV, but it's cooling, but it's not cooling as well as it should. So we're gonna go ahead and upgrade this now. Hope this thing not nailed to the concrete. I'm gonna go ahead and pump it down. Get ready to change it out. Alright folks, getting warm out here. Sun looks like it's gonna be right overhead. Wish this tree was over the unit. That ain't even a tree, that probably used to be a bush that don't outgrow. Alright, let's rock and roll. Get ready to pump down the unit. I got 100 PSI. I think this R22 supposedly might be overcharged. Alright, so that's completely shut. The unit is calling for cool at the thermostat, so contact her unless it has a low pressure switch, will stay on. And the blower should stay on also while I change this unit out so they can have some type of circulation. Like I said, I don't mind it pulling all the way up into a vacuum. Hear that compressor start screaming here. Look at that sight glass. When I'm ready, I'll get ready. Cut it off there. Cool air blowing now. And get out of there, folks. Just close the suction line. Smaller. That should be close. I don't know how much you got left in here. You can. Nah, this gonna be good. This. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Just release some back in there, but it's okay. So that's how we see it. We got some still in here. So it's completely flat now. All right. So we'll just be careful with our 24 volts here. All right. Alright, HVAC people, so this is the hardest part of the job sometimes. Installing these condenser units. You see everything cleaned up, got it disconnected. You see this unit won't budge because they got it nailed down to this concrete. So I gotta see if I can pry this thing up. Sometimes they easy, sometimes be very difficult. Too bad. Nice looking unit. I like that black grill. Alrighty, filter dryer again. Alright, see what we need to do here. Alright, so I got this unit brazed in. We got about 150. Alright, HVAC people. I want to keep you a can of also harness spray in your truck in the summertime. I was just about to pull a vacuum and plug my unit up into the outlet. There's a wasp nest up in here. So I want to make sure you don't get stung. It's kind of like a baby nest, but one flying around here somewhere. I'm gonna try to, whoa. Thing is, I got it. That nest is alive though. I think I can just knock it down though. I just want to plug it up for old boy come back. There we go. All right. Gotta be safe, folks. There you go. So I like to do all my electrical while I'm pulling the vacuum. That's that, folks. Alright, HVAC people, hey, that's a wrap. 4-ton condenser installed. Cooling good, pressure's good. I wanted to show the pressure, but the homeowner came out here and I was speaking with him, answering his questions, but hey, everything looking good. Hey, thanks for watching. That's a wrap. We out, WWHVAC. 4-ton Goodman condenser replacement.